We are going to do a program. No more courses. I want a program for you that you get to be part of. What that consists of is I'm going to show you how to get your income earning activities done in 2 hours a day. And then I'm going to show you how you can plug into 1 to 3 hours a week of training. Okay, it's going to be live and interactive. If you can't get on live, you get access to the replays. But we are literally going to walk you through step by step. I want to show you not only how to make daily pay, I want to help you leave a legacy for your family. We are launching this, and really the official launch of it is going to be April 1st, because we're also doing a 90-day run that anybody that is inside of our program, I want to run with you in October. Gosh, October, that's so crazy. I said that. April 1st, and I want to run with you. I want to show you how to make 30K in 90 days. I want to help you make 10K in April, 10K in May, and 10K in June. Now, some of my legacy builders are going to go for 100K in 90 days. My goal is to create 1,000 six-figure income earners with our process and to create 1,000 millionaires. How would that feel if you could create 1,000 millionaires? I want to show you what our program looks like. This is exactly what it looks like. When you get started, you'll immediately get access to this, right? And once everything is in here, look at this, how to launch your business, what to expect. Like, you can go to the next module. You're going to learn what passive income is. You're going to learn all about our amazing community. You're going to learn what resale rights are. You're going to learn how to have that winning mindset so you can reach your goals. You're going to learn all about our 2-hour workday. You're going to learn how to launch your business. Did you see how short those were, by the way? Super short. 5 minutes, take action. 8 minutes, take action, right? 5 minutes is super short, easy to follow and understand, so you're not floundering around. I'm telling you what, I'm so excited to launch this. I know you can't hear it in my voice right now because I'm really struggling to even say anything because my voice, I've lost my voice. But this is the program. A lot of it is going to be interactive and done with you. Look at all this. You guys are going to get 200 digital product ideas. Not only do you get the ideas, you're going to get a complete PDF. Let me show you what this looks like. Oh gosh, wait. Let me open this and show you. Look at this. If you maybe one day want to create your own product, look at this. I give you ideas, and I'm going to train you on how to create products or programs or community off of these. You get 200 different ideas. You name it, you guys, you are going to get, right? You are literally going to, this is something I'm really excited about, because so many people they don't want to be on video, right? You are literally going, and I'm actually teaching it live on the 15th. What is your invisible empire and how to build that? I'm going to show you how to build an invisible empire where you don't even got to talk on video, where you can literally build that faceless brand. I'm literally going to show you how to do that. So this is exactly how it looks. You literally are going to be able to get the launch pad for your business so you can launch a business. The goal in the launch pad is to get you to go from brand new to profit in 7 days. Once we get that going for you and you get comfortable with the process, I want to help you make daily pay. I want to show you how to make $900 a day in daily pay. That's over $328,000 a year. Would that change your life any? Once we get you there and get you comfortable with that process, I want to show you how to create reoccurring income streams. And I want to show you, if you want, how to create your own product or how to create your own community.